Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a sand dune ripple pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for numerical operations and handling arrays, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting and visualizing data. Now we'll set the parameters. So width and height define the resolution of the grid, which is number of points along x and y, and frequency controls how close or far apart the ripples are. Higher frequency is equals to more ripples, and amplitude controls the height and intensity of the ripples. Now we'll create the grid. So np.linspace generates evenly spaced points where x goes from 0 to 10 in the horizontal axis and y goes from 0 to 5 in the vertical axis. And np.meshGrid creates 2D grid arrays x and y from the 1D array. So each xy pair represents a point on the grid. And now we'll generate a ripple pattern. So here Z stores the height values of the ripples at each xy point, and the expression creates a wave pattern along x modified with another sine wave along y to simulate a more natural ripple effect. So here 2 into np.pi into frequency into x, this generates a basic sinusoidal wave along with the x-axis, and the added term np.pi divided by 4 into np.sin 2 into np.pi into frequency into y. This shifts the wave along x based on y, creating a more interesting and natural dune-like pattern. So multiplying by amplitude scales the height of the ripples. And now we'll plot the ripple pattern. So here plt.figure sets the figure size for better visualization, and plt.im show displays the ripple data as an image, and cmap is equals to copper gives a sandy warm color suitable for dunes, and extend defines the axis limits to correspond with x and y ranges, and plt.colorbar adds a color scale bar representing ripple height, and plt.title displays a suitable title to the plot. So plt.x label and y label adds a suitable title, suitable label to the defined axes, and plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see a sand dune ripple pattern. So thanks for watching this video.